guys, today we are in London and it is Halloween and we have a lot to see. I'm here with this guy, Dylan, and Charlie, and we are gonna see the entire city in basically one day. So let's do that. We started out at Leek Street Arches in the Waterloo district. In 2008, a street artist named Banksy set out on a mission to turn a dark and forgotten filth pit into a beautiful oasis of art. And that's exactly what he did to this old Eurostar tunnel that was put out of use in 2007. Over the course of one weekend, artists came from all over the globe to contribute their designs, and it has kept growing ever since. It's rare to walk in the tunnel and not see someone painting something. It's definitely worth a stop. There are so many cool pieces that you won't see anywhere else and so many cool pictures to take. There are also some bars and clubs in the tunnel, even a board game bar. This is our picture right here. This is the vibe. Charlie, are you giving people directions like you live here? After spending about a half hour checking out all of the art, we decided to start heading towards the river. There's a lot going on by the waterfront, like the London Eye that will give you a view of the whole city, an aquarium, and a few museums. There's also a bunch of food and drink stands. The squirrel whisperer, get him. With those clicky-clack nails, get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Look at him. He's very into whatever he's digging right now.
He's burying his nuts. Did
he get one and he's burying it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I told you he took it from that little boy's hand, like straight, like went up to him and was like, "Click, thank you, bye."
That's amazing. It's gonna be the quote of the trip. Is that big, Ben? It's not that big, really.
I've seen larger.
I've seen larger Bens. Oh, I like this little festive rainbow carousel. Cute. Aww. Imagine us riding that drunk later.
Oh my god.
I'd love that. Oh, we'd be beautiful rainbow unicorns.
Oh my god.
Waffles, milkshakes, toasties.
Oh shit.
Whiskey? Dude, when do we start drinking? It's Halloween.
Oh fuck yeah.
No fuck. We gotta drink now. I love spiced cider. Oh, it's such a cute stand too. So, do you guys see this seagull right here? That's a seagull. As an American, I've only ever seen giant fat seagulls. I didn't know they got that small. I'm like, what kind of bird is that? Apparently it's a seagull. So that's interesting. We took like old phone booths and now they're like Wi-Fi booths? I don't get it. Is it free? Do you have to pay for it? Yes, Sherlock Holmes themed. We had to stop in this bar since it definitely had the quaint London feel that we were looking for. Touristy, sure, but worth a stop for a pint if you're passing by. Super impressed that a beer and 2 ciders was only 19 pounds. Next, we took a stroll to the Trafalgar Square, which is right outside of the National Gallery. The gallery is free to enter also. The square was filled with lots of people hanging out and listening to some music being played. No riding the lions. But you can sit next to it. Oh my god, he's blowing his whistle. Oh, see, the kid rode the lion! There's a whole sign! Charlie, I want that to be my job. I want to just like blow my whistle at people to be like, sorry, you can't ride the lion.
Yeah, that's what he does all day.
That's his job. That's all you do.
How much do you get paid now?
Literally. Yes, Charlie. Yes, sway it. After walking and dancing around the square, we began our stroll through St. James Park with our end goal as Buckingham Palace. There are a few public bathrooms in the park, but make sure you have some pounds or a contactless card to pay with. The park was beautiful to walk through, and it really made the build-up of getting to the palace even more special. The big guys are rolling through.
Oh god.
Look at, they're like in a parade together.
Yeah, get out of the way.
It's like the popular squad.
Eating that leaf? Ducks eat leaves.
Are you a vegetarian?
It's a vegetarian type.
Vegetarian.
Is that beef gluten free, my god?
Look, he looked up, he was like, bitch.
He's like, what the fuck you say?
Make fun of my feelings.
It was pretty awesome getting to see it with our own eyes. And after all that walking, we decided to head back to our hostel knowing that even though we only had one day to get our sightseeing in, we knew we hit everything that we wanted to see. Thanks for joining us, and I will catch y'all on the next one.